Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to b over a tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have b square over a square tan t square, a square, we cancel, b square, we can do about factorization, tan t square plus 1, we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change for this one. So this one we have b square over a square tan t square. Next, we need to simplify a square, So b square, we can do about factorization. This one, that is about secant of t square. And now we need to simplify secant of t square. b and b we simplify. So we just have only 1 over a b. The integration of dt, that is about t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by b over 8. And now we can find the value of t. That is about octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.